Wendy. I'm coming to get you.
Come on, mate.
Watch out, here I come.
Come on, mate.
Ah!
They call me a wind-up merchant. Some people call me a cunt. But I love to play annoy and tease. It's just a bit of fun. I know the buttons I can press to make you roll your eyes at me. I may cause you a bit of stress, but through it all with loving glee. I gently poke to start your day to see how much that you can take. I push and try to hear you moan, then laugh at the fuss you go and make. Yeah. They call me a wind-up merchant. Some people call me a cunt. But I love to play annoy and tease. It's just a bit of fun. Annoyance could be my middle name, but don't take it all too serious. Cause when you react and make a fuss, the results are all hilarious. You know the signs and see them clear. Whenever the devil is in me, you roll your eyes and give a sneer. But no, it's done with loving glee. Yeah. 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 Hey, yeah. They call me a wind-up merchant. Some people call me a cunt. But I love to play annoy and tease. It's just a bit of fun. I am a wind-up merchant. Most people get the joke. If you love to play annoy and tease, I'm just a wonder poke it. Hey, yeah. Oh, hey, I'm just a wonder poke. They call me a wind-up merchant. Some people call me a cunt. But I love to play annoy and tease. It's just a bit of fun. I love to play annoy and tease. Make this side kind happy and give a smile if you please. Just give a smile, would you please? Just give a smile, would you please? Ooh.
Did you jump?
No.
Did you jump? Did you wet yourself?
Shut up. Go
This, it's 11 o'clock at night, mate. People are in bed.
Fuck off then.
Am I annoying you?
No.
Am I annoying you?
No.
Keep your voice down. Somebody just walked past you.
No, nobody's walked past me. I'd have heard him.
Keep trying to. Oh, look behind you.
Your voice open. Look, I'm going in. Shut
Okay.
the fuck up.
See you in a bit.